the bulk of the storm now over. Temperatures not climbing much, though. As we've been telling you, the concern now is, of course, icy roads.
And Rockland County Superintendent of Highways, Charles Vezzetti, joins us live now to give us an update on his area. Thank you for joining us this morning, Charles.
Good morning. How you doing?
We're doing well. Well, we want to know what are conditions like on the roads in Rockland County this morning?
Well, I just got back in a little while ago. All the roads in the county have been treated. The towns are out. All the county roads have been treated and plowed. We're still getting some light snow, and there's very little traffic, if anything. So it'll be a little while before the roads are all black. But the throughways look pretty good, and the parkway look good. So I think I would guess as soon as the snow stops, probably by 9 o'clock, we'll be in very good shape.
Here, when you hear of a storm like this one headed your way, what worries you most? Is it snow or ice, and which of the two was your primary concern overnight?
Well, we pretty well had it down that it was going to be mostly snow. Of course, ice is the worst. It's very difficult to fight an ice storm. You can try to treat it with chemicals. You can't plow it very well, but the snowstorms we can pretty well treat. We do pre-treatment starting the day before, usually with brine. In Rockland County, most of the towns also use brine, and then once the snowstorm starts, of course, we treat it with salt. And when we get 2 inches, we go to the plowing mode. But today we thought it was going to go a little, the temperature was going to drop a little harder. So we added some magnesium chloride, which will keep the salt working to a lower temperature. So it worked out fine, though.
Now, Skip, it's the Saturday after Christmas. A lot of people still have their family in town. Maybe they want to make their way out. Any advice for these people who have no choice but to be out on the county roads this morning?
Well, I'd say just give it a little more time. Wait till the sun comes. Well, the sun's starting to come up now, I guess. But wait till all the towns and villages have done the secondary roads. But I don't think it's going to take too long before they can get out. As I say, I think by 9 o'clock, most all the roads in the county will be in good shape.
Okay, that's not much time from now.
Yeah.
So people can stay home.
Sounds like a good situation. Have a cup of coffee, watch us, watch CBS Saturday morning, and then go out and enjoy your day.
That's right. Well, Rockland County Superintendent of Highways, Charles Vezzetti, thank you for taking some time to speak with us this morning. I know you've been very busy.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too. And you can find the very latest on this winter storm and its impact on our website, cbsnewyork.com.